My name is Joellen Wilson. I'm the Juvenile Tarpon Habitat Program Manager for Bonefish and Tarpon Trust.
And I'm Captain Ed Glorioso, a fishing guide down here in Boca Grande, Florida.
So what's one of your favorite things about fishing for tarpon or seeing clients fish for tarpon?
Just the joy that they get when everything comes together. That line gets tight, they start jumping like crazy, a healthy release, watch them swim away. There's nothing like it.
For me, it's gotta be the jump. It'll always be the first jump. You hook up on the fish, it's up in the air, crowd goes wild.
Another thing that's fun about tarpon is when we're out there looking for them and you start seeing all these fish roll in the school and the clients get excited, you get excited, get the boat ready, watching that last couple slow rollers coming up.
So it's actually something that they learn as juveniles. These fish are so far up into these habitats, but a lot of times these habitats are low dissolved oxygens, and so they're rolling, and that's a habit that they learn that we really take advantage of when they get bigger and we're fishing for them.
Not only is it so much fun to be out there catching those fish, but teaching the clients, teaching the kids about the conservation of these fish.
That's so true, and BTT has so many exciting programs. We're looking at their movement patterns, we're tagging, we're looking at diet studies like blood work, things like that. And to learn more about how BTT is conserving the species and just to learn more about this incredible fish in general, visit btt.org.
Habitat loss is the greatest threat to our flats fisheries. That's why Bonefish and Tarpon Trust has been committed to restoring and conserving essential fish habitat for more than 25 years. From Florida to Belize, from the Bahamas to Mexico, we're restoring natural flows, replanting mangroves, and opposing unwise coastal development. But we can't do it alone. Help us bring science to the fight for the future of the fisheries we love. Become a member today at btt.org.